Welcome to all the T.Y.B.C.A students. Our subject is Software Quality Assurance. The structure of a subject course code is BCA 503, total course hours 48 hours, total credits are 4. Teaching scheme is a theoretical paper, there is no any practical. Internal evaluation is for 30 marks and external evaluation is for a 70 marks. Objectives of a software quality assurance. First one, to understand the basic of quality software and quality factors. Second, to understand software quality architecture and components. Third one, to understand software project lifecycle, infrastructure, and software quality standards. Software quality assurance is not a software engineering. In a software engineering, we have to develop the software. There are given the steps, phases for the software development process. In a software quality assurance, we have to monitor the software engineering process. In a software quality assurance, we have to discuss the different units. The first unit is Introduction to Software Quality. Objectives of a first unit: to understand basic concept of software quality, to learn error, fault, and failure, to study software engineering, to understand software quality assurance in details. Also, we have to discuss that the uniqueness of a software quality assurance, that is how the software are different other than industrial products. Then what are the errors occurs? What is the bugs? Why the softwares are failure? These causes we have to discuss in a unit number 1. Then for removal of the software error, which of the quality have to assign, that is the software quality assurance and software engineering, we have to discuss in a unit number 1. The second unit is the software quality architecture and components. Objectives of this topic is that the need for a comprehensive software quality requirements, then classifications of software requirements into the software quality factors. Here, MC calls software quality factors are classified on the three bases. First one is a product operation, product revision, and third one is a product transitions. Parties interested in the definitions of the quality requirements. There are the different stakeholders. Stakeholders mean those are the persons or things which are directly or indirectly included in a software development process, that we have to discuss what are their roles for maintain the quality in a software development process, that are discussed in this unit. Then SQA architecture. In a SQA architecture, there are the different components. First one is the pre-project components. Second one is the software project lifecycle components. And third one is the infrastructure components for error preventions and the improvement. Then in the last topic from the second chapter, we have to discuss that how the manager manage these components in a software quality assurance process. Unit number 3 is a project life cycle. The objective of that the unit 3 to understand the basic concepts of project life cycle. The in a basics project life cycles are waterfall model, spiral model, RAD model, agile model, incremental model, prototype model, and V model. These are the different project life cycles. Then second, to learn the various project life cycles, to study the SQA defect removal model, to know the case and its tools, to study verifications, validations, and qualifications. The verifications, validations, and the qualifications are the phases for the assurance activity. For the quality assurance activity, they are defined the three phases. First one is the verification, validation, and the qualification. Then a model for SQA defect the removal, effectiveness, and cost. Whenever those are the activities are included in a software engineering process, if the errors are occurs, then which methods we have to use to defect the removal, so that we have to discuss in this topic. Then in a third topic, the last in a third unit, the last topic is the case study, that is the computer aided software engineering. Case studies are used. Case studies tools are used to software product quality, to software maintenance quality, and to improve the project management. Then in a unit number 4, we discuss the software quality, infrastructure, and components. There are the requirements of the procedures and work instructions. Procedures and work instructions are the documentation. How these documentations are created, why it is required, then what are the methods for the preparations of these procedures and work instructions? We have to discuss in that. Then supporting quality devices, that is the templates and checklists. These are also the documentations we have to prepare for each uh, examining the improvement process. Then configurations management. In a configurations management, we define the software configuration, its items and management, software change control, release of the software configurations version, provisions of a software configurations management information services, that we have to discuss in a configuration management. In unit number 5, that is the software quality metrics. Metrics means the measurement. What we have to measure? We have to measure the quality. Now there are the two methods for the measurement. First one is the process metrics and the second one is the product metrics. The process metrics means when I have to, software is in a development phase, then it takes the quality, that is in a process matrix. And in a product matrix, whenever the software is delivered to the end user, then which types of the services are given, that measurements are performed in a product matrix. Then implementations of the software quality matrix and the limitations of the software matrix we have to discuss in a unit number 5. In a unit number 6, that is software quality standards, certifications, and assessment, the objective of this topic is that we have to define the different standards that are required for the software quality assurance process. These standards are the guidelines are given to the organizations, okay, how the software development process have to perform. But for that, the software quality standards, these are, one is the quality management standard and second one is the project process standard. In a quality management standards, we have to discuss the ISO 9001, then how to ISO certifications is performed, then capability maturity models, bootstrap methodology, and the SPICE project for the quality management standards. And in a project process standards, we have to define the guidelines of the IEEE software engineering standards. We have to discuss the structure of IEEE, their life cycle process, IEEE verifications and validation process, and IEEE standards reviews process. We have to discuss in our last chapter, last unit, that is the software quality standards, certifications, and the assessment. For the reference, they use the reference book Software Quality Assurance by Daniel Gallian, Pearson Publications 2009. The ebook is available on net. The PDF link for that PDF is given. You have to download that the PDF for the reference. Thank you.